When building or improving a process plant, there are always a few challenges. One of them, finding and organizing space. So let me help you out. Space is a big theme in the process industry. New hydrogen processes, for example, tend to be built into containers. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's a way to save space without transforming everything you work with right now? A traditional control loop could look like this. As you can see, there are a lot of separate components that have to be built into a process, which requires a lot of precious space. Now, let me introduce to you the smart meter valve. As you can see, all components are now combined into one device. And I don't have to tell you about the space you can save by replacing the traditional control loop with a smart meter valve like this. So, one more thing. Besides saving space, it also saves you headaches by giving you more data, the highest accuracy of control, and installing it is super easy. Sounds good? Take a critical look at your process and note the places where you would love to save space. See you soon.